Welcome to History's Hiccups. Ready for some history that's stranger than fiction, Part 8. In medieval Europe, people threw cats from church towers for entertainment. Seriously not cool. Victorians had picnic parties in cemeteries. Talk about a grave affair. Aztecs played a deadly ball game where the losers, well, didn't live to play again. During WWII, the British used inflatable tanks to fool the Nazis. Talk about a blow-up army. In the 17th century, the Netherlands experienced a period known as Tulip Mania, where tulip bulbs became so valuable they were used as currency and caused one of the first recorded speculative bubbles.